guys, welcome back to Conch TV.
Today's date is
May 9th.
Friday, May 9th.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
Lunches for today, Kentwood.
Fish basket and fries.
And there's always pizza.
Hey, Conch, prom is tomorrow, and I know everybody's excited, but we have to make sure we follow these rules. There will be no entry after 10:30, and no one will be allowed to re-enter the dance after leaving.
All students must present a Kentwood ASB/ID card at the door of the dance, and all guests must have a photo ID with date of birth or current high school ID to be allowed entry.
Students must remain in designated areas or the main dance area. If not, you will be asked to leave.
No substitutions of people on the dance list. Only person's name on the list will be allowed in.
No bags larger than a clutch will be allowed in. A 5x8 bag can be carried and will be searched upon entry.
All personal items will be coat checked and may not be retrieved until departure from the venue.
If you are under the influence of any substance, you will not be allowed in. Don't ruin it for the rest of us, okay?
Please.
Trying to have a good fun time.
Yeah.
Keep that to yourself in the comfort of your own home. Don't bring that to the dance.
Please.
Senior athletes, are you committed to play sports in college? We'll come to the main gym on May 19th for the Kentwood Spring Signing event.
So who am I here with?
I'm Mrs. Camblin.
Lynch.
Mr. White.
A Joan Doe.
And what was your first car?
It was a sweet Volkswagen Rabbit, and it was beige with burnt orange interior, and I love that car so much.
My first car I owned was a Ford Festiva. It looks like a little roller skate.
Mercury Lynx.
Oh, cool.
No, it was not.
It was a 1985 Ford Taurus that had been rear-ended by a lifted truck.
Was there a story behind it, like an interesting story?
The muffler fell off. I went over a speed bump, and the muffler just fell right onto the ground, and then it was just like really loud, like driving around, I was like, ah.
And so I got a really expensive sound system and was driving around a lot with this. And then I was parked in a large parking lot one day, and I came out to my car to see that it had been broken into and the stereo system and the subs had been stolen. But I was so distressed that with my keys in my hands, I threw up my hands, and the keys went and smashed my front driver's side window. So then I had two broken windows to replace.
I showed up to take my date for prom in that car, and the dad would not take his daughter to go to prom in that car. So he drove us to prom, and then road tripping to California 2 days after our high school graduation, it grenaded itself somewhere north of Willows, California. It gave up the ghost, as it were, and I sold it for $1 to a very shady and sketchy roadside salvage yard, and I left the title there, and we hitchhiked into the Bay Area, and that was the last time I ever saw it.
Hey seniors, do you want a yard sign or maybe a sticker? Check your bulletin for a link to purchase those, but make sure you order those by May 30th so you can get them before graduation and let all your neighbors know that you're graduating.
Do it. I did it. Yeah, I got one.
I didn't yet. I will. I have to. I gotta let my neighbors know.
Hey seniors, it's graduation season. So if you want to walk the halls of your old elementary school, make sure you check your bulletin for more information.
Hey juniors and seniors, do y'all want to play Powderpuff?
Make sure you guys get signed up by June 3rd.
Check your bulletin for more details.
The link's in there. You gotta sign up.
Yeah, you gotta
You should sign up.
sign up.
Couldn't do it last year because people didn't sign up.
It's great to be alive.